What? Vegetable is life. So eat vegetable every day. Vegetable is life. 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 This is the kalamismis. Kalamismis. This is the, what do you call this? This is the labanos. This is gulay is life. This one is the okra. Kamote leaves. We're going to pour it the kamote leaves. So you eat vegetable, your life will last long. Let's cover it. Sinigang na hipon with gulay. Malusog at masustansya para sa ating buhay. Lagay na natin ng hipon. No? Timplahan muna natin ng, lagyan muna ng asin yan. Ayan, lagyan natin ng asin. This time, lagyan na natin ang ating hipon. Hipon. Sarap. Then, mimix natin yan. Ayan. Mabilis lang maluto yung hipon natin. And then, lagyan natin ng Ajinomoto, monosodium chloride. Baka naman. And then, ilalagay na natin ating sinigang sa sampalok mix. Ayan, sinigang na hipon for lunch, guys. Ooh, yummy. Luto na ang ating hipon. Luto na yan, guys. Ayan. Ayan na. Luto na yan. Then, lagyan na natin yung ating okra. Ooh, that's good. That's good na yan, guys. Kasama na ang ating siling green. Wala pa palang siling green, guys. Ayan. Lagyan na natin ating talbos. Talbos ng kamote. Ayan na. Healthy food. Ayan na. Ang talbos ng kamote. Nilagay na. At pakukuluin na natin yan. Diretso na ang kulo niyan. Masarap yan. Masarap yan. Masarap yan. Ayan na. Masarap yan. Busok. Next na natin ang ating siling green. Bugs. Pakuluin lang natin yan. At solve na tayo dyan sa mga gulay-gulay na yan. Oh, sarap oh. Grabe. Gulay is life. Oh, grabe. Luto na ating sinigang sa sampalok na na hipon. Ayan, with vegetable for life. Ayan, guys, napakasarap ang ating sinigang sa sampalok na hipon. Oh, grabe, vegetable for life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.